In today's video, we're excited to introduce the MILESEEY Thermal Camera Android series, specifically the TR160i and TR256i models. These high-performance thermal imagers are designed to be compatible with Android phones, making them an essential tool for a wide range of applications, including panel PCB circuit repair, electrical inspections, and more. Let's dive into the features and capabilities that make these thermal cameras a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Features and specifications. High-resolution imaging. 256 by 192 infrared resolution. Both the TR160i and TR256i models feature a high-resolution infrared sensor that captures detailed thermal images, allowing you to identify and diagnose issues with precision. Wide temperature range. Accurately measure temperatures across a wide range, making it suitable for various applications, from electronics to HVAC systems. Compatibility and connectivity. Android phone compatibility. Simply connect the thermal camera to your Android phone via USB-C and transform your device into a powerful thermal imager. User-friendly app. The dedicated MILESEEY app provides an intuitive interface for capturing and analyzing thermal images, making it easy to use even for beginners. Versatile applications. Panel PCB circuit repair. Quickly identify overheating components, short circuits, and other issues in printed circuit boards and electronic panels, ensuring efficient repairs and maintenance. Electrical inspections. Conduct thorough inspections of electrical panels, wiring, and equipment to detect potential problems such as loose connections or overloaded circuits before they lead to failures or hazards. Building inspections. Assess insulation, detect air leaks, and identify moisture issues in walls, roofs, and other structures, helping to maintain the integrity and efficiency of buildings. Portable and convenient. Compact design. The lightweight and portable design of the TR160i and TR256i makes it easy to carry and use in the field, providing convenience without sacrificing performance. Real-time analysis. View and analyze thermal images in real time on your Android phone, allowing for immediate decision-making and troubleshooting. Why choose MILESEEY thermal cameras? High accuracy. Benefit from precise temperature measurements and clear thermal imaging, enabling accurate diagnostics and effective problem-solving. Durable construction. Built to withstand tough working conditions, the MILESEEY thermal cameras are designed for durability and reliability in various environments. Cost-effective solution. Get professional-grade thermal imaging capabilities at a fraction of the cost of traditional thermal cameras, making it an affordable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.